Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the brightness on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the home button on your remote and then use the arrow buttons to navigate to the left until you get to settings. Then tap OK to open the settings. Select Picture and then select Expert Settings. Now tap on Brightness and use the arrows to change the brightness to what you would like. Tap the back arrow when the brightness level is where you would like it. You can also change a lot of other picture settings here, such as the contrast, sharpness and color. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.